Hello guys, welcome to episode 5 of the series. So if you didn't know, we have an enchanting table and another part. Look, we have an wait. Look. We have an enchanting table and we almost have another portal.
Yeah.
And my objectives are getting Wax Mucha out of the cave and getting full diamond armor. So if you didn't watch the last series, me and Wax Mucha was mining some diamonds in the cave and I was the first to get out of the cave, so I will help Wax Mucha to get out. Here. So here. Like up. Wax Mucha said these are the cards, so I'm gonna dig down to help her. If you didn't know, last episode I put some TNT at Wax Mucha's base and I'ma get her reaction.
Follow me,
Okay.
okay?
And Wax Mucha will go home now. So Wax Mucha died and Wax Mucha will explode her base and I'ma like video what she did.
Okay guys, I'm a house, but what is this? Let me step and... Oh my god! A bomb! Wait, my brother is TNT in my house.
So yeah, my sister was so mad at me. Ha ha ha. Look what I did to her base. So yeah. And so yeah, after that I just helped my cousin just build her base. So after that I made some iron armor for my cousin because she really mad at me. So after that I really want to go mining for some diamonds so I can make some diamond armor and what what did I found? Look. So I found some diamonds and I will go up to get some water. And when I was heading up, so look what my cousin did to my house. It was full of cherry wood. So I fixed the floor and yeah, I headed up to trap some diamond armor. I enchanted all my diamond armor into protection 2 and protection 1. And after that, I finished the nether portal. And after that, I made a new storage here and I organized all my stuff and I cleared it up. This is the end of my episode, so if you like that, make sure to like and subscribe and goodbye.